Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're counting down 10 Lexus and Toyota cars that never break down. These are the vehicles known for crossing 200,000, even 300,000 miles, while still running strong. If you're looking for a car that combines comfort, reliability, and low maintenance, this list is for you. Let's get started. 2013 Lexus RX 350. The 2013 Lexus RX 350 is one of the most dependable luxury SUVs ever made, and it proves why Lexus has such a strong reputation for reliability. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 270 horsepower, it delivers smooth performance that's built to last well beyond 200,000 miles. Owners often report these SUVs reaching 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. The RX 350 combines that long-lasting engineering with comfort. Inside, you'll find real leather, quality trim, and a cabin that resists wear even after a decade of use. Unlike many luxury brands where the interiors crack, squeak, or electronics start failing, Lexus designed this SUV to age gracefully. It's also incredibly versatile. With optional all-wheel drive, it handles snow, rain, and rough roads with confidence, yet it remains quiet and smooth on the highway. That balance of toughness and comfort is what keeps the RX so popular on the used market. If you want a luxury SUV that doesn't break down, doesn't lose its value overnight, and feels just as solid after years of driving, the 2013 Lexus RX 350 is a perfect example of why Lexus vehicles are considered some of the most reliable in the world. 2017 Toyota Camry Hybrid SE. This model is the perfect example of how Toyota blended fuel efficiency with long-term dependability. Under the hood, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine works seamlessly with Toyota's proven hybrid system to produce about 200 horsepower. That means you get smooth acceleration, excellent fuel economy, and the confidence that the powertrain will keep going strong for years. Many owners see real-world fuel economy over 40 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a mid-size sedan of this size. What really sets it apart is Toyota's hybrid technology. Other brands sometimes leave drivers worried about expensive battery replacements, but Toyota has been perfecting this system for decades. With regular care, it's common to see these cars pass 250,000 miles with the original battery pack still functioning well. That makes it one of the most reliable hybrids you can buy. The SE trim also adds some personality. It has a sport-tuned suspension that gives you sharper handling, comfortable yet supportive seats, and a cabin layout that feels modern without being flashy. The interior materials hold up well over time, so even after years of use, the car still feels solid and put together. At the end of the day, this is a mid-size sedan that saves money at the pump, handles daily driving with ease, and lasts long enough to give you true value for your money. For anyone who wants both efficiency and peace of mind, it's hard to find a smarter choice. 2016 Lexus GX 460. This is one of those rare SUVs that feels more like a tank than a family vehicle, in the best way possible. Built on a traditional body-on-frame platform, it's essentially a luxury version of the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, which already has a legendary reputation worldwide for durability. Under the hood sits a 4.6-liter V8 engine producing 301 horsepower. It's smooth, strong, and designed to last for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care. Paired with a full-time four-wheel drive system, the GX 460 isn't just for city roads. It's a serious off-road machine that can handle snow, dirt, and rugged terrain, yet still glide down the highway in total comfort. Inside, you get Lexus refinement: plush leather seating, real wood trim, and excellent noise insulation. Even after nearly a decade, many GX models feel like they're brand new inside because Lexus built them with materials that hold up to time and daily use. Families especially love the third-row seating option, which makes it a versatile choice for long trips. On the used market, the GX 460 has a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Owners regularly push past 250,000 miles, and mechanics often say these SUVs are among the most dependable in their class. If you want a luxury SUV that's rugged enough to explore the outdoors but refined enough for everyday driving, this one is tough to beat. 2018 Toyota Highlander. This midsize SUV has become one of Toyota's best all-around vehicles, and the 2018 model shows exactly why. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 producing 295 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that makes it both smooth and efficient, a rare combination in a 3-row SUV. What drivers love most is balance. The Highlander is big enough to haul kids, luggage, or gear for a road trip, yet small enough to still park easily in the city. With optional all-wheel drive, it's perfectly capable in snow or rain, and it has the kind of steering and ride comfort that keeps everyone happy on long drives. The interior is another strong point. Toyota designed this SUV with quality materials, a quiet cabin, and thoughtful storage throughout. Families especially appreciate the third row for extra passengers, while the second row offers plenty of space for adults. Most importantly, the Highlander has Toyota's bulletproof reputation. Owners commonly report 200,000 miles or more with basic maintenance, and many examples still run like new well into their second decade. That's why it's one of the most popular used SUVs on the market. It's versatile, safe, and built to last. 2014 Lexus ES 350. This sedan is the definition of comfort and dependability. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 with 268 horsepower, it delivers strong yet smooth acceleration. The ES has always been about refinement over flash, and the 2014 model strikes that balance beautifully. Inside, you're greeted with a quiet, spacious cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge. Soft leather, wood trim, and Lexus's legendary attention to detail make it one of the most relaxing daily drivers you can own. Even after a decade, many of these interiors look almost untouched because the materials hold up so well. But where it really shines is long-term reliability. The ES350 shares much of its engineering with the Toyota Camry, meaning parts are widely available and maintenance is affordable. Mechanics often call it one of the easiest luxury sedans to keep running for the long haul. Owners regularly pass 200,000 miles without serious repairs, and the resale value remains strong because buyers know it's a safe bet. If you're looking for a sedan that blends Lexus luxury with Toyota toughness, the ES350 is one of the smartest picks out there. 2016 Toyota Corolla LE. This compact sedan has been the go-to choice for practical drivers for decades, and the 2016 version is a perfect example of why. It runs on a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, making 132 horsepower. Not flashy, but extremely dependable and fuel-efficient. Drivers easily get over 30 miles per gallon in mixed driving, and some push 40 on the highway. The real strength of the Corolla isn't performance, it's consistency. These cars are simple, well-built, and designed to last. With routine oil changes and basic care, it's not unusual for them to reach 250,000 miles or more without major problems. That's why you still see so many older Corollas on the road today. The LE trim adds comfort features that make daily driving easier. Upgraded interior materials, automatic climate control, and Toyota's reputation for safety with standard stability control and multiple airbags. For anyone wanting a car that's cheap to run, easy to maintain, and dependable year after year, the Corolla LE proves why this model has been trusted by millions worldwide. 2015 Toyota 4Runner. This is one of the last true body-on-frame SUVs left in the midsize market, and that makes it something special. Powered by a 4.0-liter V6 with 270 horsepower, the 4Runner is rugged, dependable, and built for adventure. Unlike many modern SUVs that have gone soft, the 4Runner is still a serious off-roader. With available four-wheel drive, a locking rear differential, and plenty of ground clearance, it's the kind of SUV you can take deep into the mountains or across rough trails without worry. At the same time, it's just as reliable in everyday driving. Inside, It's practical and durable. The materials are chosen to withstand years of use, and the cabin layout makes sense whether you're commuting or camping. Owners often describe it as bulletproof because with proper maintenance, these SUVs commonly cross 250,000 miles. Some even reach 300,000. For drivers who want a vehicle that can handle tough conditions, carry a family, and still feel dependable after a decade, the 4Runner is one of Toyota's crown jewels. 2017 Lexus NX 200T. This compact luxury crossover was designed for drivers who wanted Lexus quality in a smaller, more city-friendly package. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder making 235 horsepower. It's efficient, responsive, and works well whether you're on crowded streets or the open highway. The NX was also one of Lexus's first compact SUVs, and they didn't cut corners. Inside, you'll find high-quality materials, supportive seats, and a design that still feels modern today. The cabin is quiet, refined, and built to last, which is why many owners say their NX still feels brand new years later. On the reliability side, the 200T engine has proven to be strong, and Toyota's engineering behind it gives buyers confidence. These crossovers are regularly reported running well beyond 150,000 to 200,000 miles without major headaches. If you're looking for a compact luxury SUV that blends efficiency, comfort, and Lexus's unbeatable dependability, the NX 200T checks all the right boxes. 2018 Toyota Avalon. This full-size sedan often flies under the radar, but it's one of Toyota's best-kept secrets. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 with 268 horsepower, the Avalon delivers smooth performance and excellent highway comfort. It's the kind of car built for long drives, where quietness and space really matter. Inside, the cabin is spacious and upscale, with leather seating, premium finishes, and plenty of tech features. Even compared to some luxury sedans, the Avalon holds its own. Yet it comes with Toyota's reputation for long-term dependability. Owners praise it for being one of the most reliable large sedans on the market. Many examples run 200,000 miles and beyond with few issues, and the cost of maintenance is lower than most cars in its class. For drivers who want a comfortable cruiser with the reliability of a Toyota, the Avalon is one of the best choices you can make. 2015 Lexus YS 350. This sporty sedan shows that Lexus can do more than just comfort. It can do performance too. A 3.5-liter V6 delivers 306 horsepower, making the IS 350 quick, responsive, and fun to drive. Yet it doesn't sacrifice Lexus's core value, reliability. Inside, it's designed for the driver, with bolstered seats, high-quality materials, and a cabin that feels both sporty and refined. The handling is sharp, the steering feels precise, and yet it's still comfortable enough for daily commuting. On the used market, the IS 350 has a strong reputation. Owners frequently report these cars lasting well past 200,000 miles, with fewer issues than most performance sedans from other brands. That makes it a unique option. You get engaging driving dynamics without the constant repair bills that often come with sporty cars. If you want a luxury sedan that's fun behind the wheel but still built to go the distance, the IS 350 is the perfect fit.